tissue.
Sige, go! Gamer, like, uy! Iyak na siya guys. YOLO! He's the reason for it. And the guitar. The only thing that keeps me wishing Iyak ni Tamar. Jeremy ha? Jeremy ha? Ano yung question niya? Do you know me? The only person I know broke my heart.
My God! Ang pinaka-bisa! This is too emotional for me. Whatever I did, I'm really sorry. I made a mistake.
More please don't be basta dito na si Brian. Dalagay kang ex, no?
Whatever I did, I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry.
We think she's going crazy.
I'm really sorry. And right now, Dili ako nag-buin nun. Ako ang malay ko ako ingon. And right now, I think I'm probably regretting it. I'm probably regretting everything I did right now.
Hindi na si Brian.
Parang ay, kung nag-ingon ko, nakasala ko yung mo, nag-regret ko. Pwede ba yan?
Ano siya? Ubos. Ako to, may labi sa
Regretting everything I did.
Wala pa dyan ako man.
And possibly, I'm regretting.
Hana, uli na ta!
And possibly,
Sa'yo di ay, 5 o'clock na gani ba?
And possibly, I'm regretting everything right now.
What I did in everything. Regretting. Crying in your arms. Regretting. I don't know the result. What will happen next? I'm only jealous. Whatever I girl with you. And I'm trying to impress you. What I do. Pretending are just so right, but perhaps you can say it. So who are you? Lovely side.
Kinana, I want to know.
Guwapa pa yan na. If you know lang. Kaya guwapa, mga guwapa.
Kanino ba diniri at ko? Kanino tatoy mo gino? Mo gisan yaw.
Nagubo ako.
Wait, ka shoutout pala ako sa una kay Bri. Why'd you have to walk away? Ina ka dito, Bri.
CR.
Kung ako nagilisan ka ron. Ako nagilutang dito nga, I don't want nobody else. Nagilisan ako na good big.
Uy, Mar, what if gusto mo, I think siya diri. Where man siya nag-stay, basta na siya diri.
Ang puto ko ko nakapangtana kay wako siya kabalo kay di siya si Rito dire. Okay na gato na utan ko hali yung balay dire which I don't know. Na? Siya balo hali yung balay no.
Kung tag song next, sa akin na lagi.